Social distancing, self-isolation and lockdown is keeping us physically apart during an uncertain time. Still, that hasn't stopped people from coming together in support of their neighbours and local businesses.
We are really busy. It's about 90% busier than what we were before.
This is unheard of. People have been absolutely fantastic about the fact that we are working under extreme conditions. It's amazing to see the loyalty to our brand that has actually arisen. We've had a sort of returning level of 60-70% of customers coming back who have been buying for us for years.
We've got volunteers who help us do deliveries. We've got a couple of volunteers who help us stock shelves. We're more than happy to queue outside. We are taking orders for people who are self-isolating and stuck in houses and doing what we can to help them out, really.
In the current situation, it can be difficult to stay positive, but for every dark cloud there is a silver lining, and this pandemic has certainly shown that in times of desperation, we can offer humbling support to those that need it the most.
Local schools and businesses which have been fantastic at making their own face shields, so we've had hundreds donated. Local people have said, oh, I've got some gloves, I've got this, I've got that, can we donate to you? The local forestry gin people have donated some hand sanitisers to us. We've had lots of little things like that.
Not only does our National Health Service deserve endless gratitude, but also the random acts of kindness within the community go a long way and help make a positive difference.
The things like all my perishables, like my crisps, nuts, I've given to the local Rosendale for the tenants that live in there, because obviously they're just going out of date. The life products, the cask beers, a couple of my locals, I would quite gladly give it to them. Obviously I would have just poured it away.
Could the repercussions of the global pandemic be doing the world of good?
Some people seem to have gone more to buying off local. I know people do milk rounds, have seen an upturn in customers, and farm shops are getting more orders.
I think it's brought everybody closer, because right now kids will still be at school, families get to know the kids a lot more, spending more one-to-one time, and prioritising really your family before work.
The local Sutton shop has received the Royal Seal of Approval from the Lord Lieutenant of Cheshire by
just making sure everyone's happy and healthy and just keeping everyone's morale up.
To put our lives on hold, to stay at home and to trust that this is the most effective way of slowing the spread of the disease is taking a toll on our mental well-being.
The pub is the heart of the community and hub of a lot of activities and a lot of socialising and a lot of interaction between friends, and I think that's one thing a lot of people have been missing.
As we continue to live through a global crisis, neither military power nor wealth can stop the destructive spread of COVID-19. But we can look back and remember communities coming together and supporting one another through these unprecedented times.
Hi.